Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car's been upgraded to feature this lovely opening panoramic glass roof. There's also 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 28,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.